Hi, it's Katie from Safewise. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are conducting the Great Chicken Experiment. Since I've been living here, the Kidde smoke detector that came with the house has been hypersensitive, and it's not just my cooking, I swear. So instead of just taking it down, I've decided to install another smoke detector right next to it. But not just any. It's the Nest Protect Smart Smoke Detector, kind of the creme de la creme of smart smoke detectors out there. It's been around for a while, and I still haven't tested one, so I'm really excited to give this a try. The big difference between the two of these is that the Nest Protect connects to Wi-Fi and an app on your phone. So if you're away and it detects smoke or fire, it will tell you. Whereas this other one, the Kidde, is pretty much a standard one that's been unchanged for years, the one we all know and love and grew up with. One of the things I really like about the Nest Protect is that you can cancel the alerts from your phone. I am but a towering 5'4", so it's really hard for me to cancel either of these if I am cooking something like bacon. It can be really tricky, and it's a lot easier to just pull up my phone and turn it off that way instead of grabbing the step stool and reaching up there. So what I'm gonna do is cook some chicken for my salad for lunch today and see which one of them or both of them goes off. Let's get started. I started out by seasoning the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and a special rub. Then I heated some vegetable oil in the pan. Once that was nice and hot, I added the chicken breasts and let them sit for 5 to 7 minutes. It's almost flippin' time! Neither one of them have gone off yet, so that's a good sign. We'll see what happens when I flip these things. My results were delicious, but inconclusive. Neither smoke detector went off from my cooking this time, so I'm gonna have to try something else. It's tomorrow, and I have a whole pound of bacon ready to go. I don't need a whole pound of bacon, but we'll find something to do with. There's nothing smokier than cooking bacon in the morning, so let's see if this sets them off. I started with 4 strips of bacon in the pan, and then added more from there. So the 8 or 9 pieces that I had that I cooked on normal amount of time didn't set anything off, so these will have to be our sacrificial piggies, and I'm just gonna let them burn and see what happens. Nothing's gone off yet, so sorry guys. I'll admit this wasn't a perfectly scientific approach, but it was fun. Unfortunately, neither poultry nor pork set off either of our smoke detectors. Only after I lifted a hot pan of leftover bacon grease up to them was I able to get any kind of result. But it wasn't replicable. My theory on this one, at least for the chicken, lands around the type of oil I used in the pan. In the past, I've made the rookie mistake of using olive oil to cook everything. I've since learned, and this time included, only used vegetable oil. Oils in the kitchen all have different smoke points. Here you can see some of the most popular. If my goal was to get smoke, I should have gone back to my old ways and used that low smoke point extra virgin olive oil like before. As for the bacon, I'm not sure what happened there, but I know my house will never smell the same again. Thanks for watching, and if you want more safety, head over to Safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe!